Hello again. Today I will be showing the same business case that I showed before for a law firm who wants to automate the generation and sending a legal document to different parties using Dynamics and Adobe Sign. Again, these videos are not sponsored at all, and it's for a general benefit and based on my own experience. And today what we're going to do is to do the same process, but from the perspective of the user who's going to be using this from the legal department with less Dynamics and Adobe experience, with less technical experience. To do this, they would go to the same app that we did before, and I would be using the same non-disclosure agreement. And to start the process, they will only go ahead and generate the process between the different parties. They will say this is a new contract. They will set the governing law to New York, the type of the document, return is, for example, 50 days, return of material, and the signer one, again, Jon Snow, and this is with King's Landing, and representative is Arya Stark. Once this is saved, they can be using the pre-existing template that is created. And by automatically this, once this email would go, we would expect that John will receive an email from Dynamics saying that this is a document for you to sign. As a signer one, the document has sent. If we refresh the page, we see that the email has received. And over here, he can go ahead and sign. Now we require him to, once he opens the document, it consists of 3 pages. And the first page require him to fill up, as a signer, to fill up his ID. And then he goes in and fill all his information if needed. Set the type of the document as the first signer is the one who is assigned to do this, and he's the client in this case. 50 days, all the information. He can override the information. He needs more time to return the item, and then sign John, and date is not required, and all set. Now we go to Arya, who's the second signer, and once we refresh, we will see that she has received the email to get this to sign, and she's required to fill up the rest of the information. She will get her documents in, and same as John, fill in her name, this information has already been filled by the client, who's the first signer. Client over here, she has no control to override his authority, and she's a consultant. Information has came through as 80, which is got updated based on John's entry. New York, and she get to sign. And if we go back to Dynamics, we can check the agreement. It says it's not signed yet. It takes time to refresh. But as of now, John got refreshed, but she's not, and we can see it's actually refreshing. And hopefully we can see that Arya has signed the document by now. And yes, she signed the document. If we go to the contact records of John, once the document is been signed as a legal company, I can come back to the record of the people and I can check that this has been signed just now, and the document is available for us. All the information and the information has been overwritten by the signer one. It's 80 now, and if we go back to the contract, this is the new contract that we just signed. The information actually has to be overwritten by now. This is all for today. Thank you very much, and I hope this information is useful, and I will be recording another video to show how we can build a document directly from Dynamics using Adobe Sign. Please subscribe, join my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.